welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I want to make a wedding backdrop. I want to work with florals. I've already put the floral part together, but I did record how I use these floral panels. Now for my drapes, this is my first time using velvet drapes, and I got all of them from Amazon, and I'm going to be sure to link those below, and also the floral panels as well. I will link those below, and I added some flowers, some eucalyptus leaves in, and some hydrangeas, and lastly some peonies. So I'm going to insert a clip to show you how I put the florals on, and then I'm going to show you some footage of how I have the backdrop stand set up, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the drapes on. Okay, here we go. Took a zip tie and I looped it through the green here, through the green grid to attach it to the pole. And I'm just gonna do that in a couple of spots. So I'm gonna loop it through the grid in order to attach it to the pole. And then this has like holes right here that you can insert these little, let me see if I can get you to see it, where you can insert these little sticky things or these little pointy things. You can insert these little pointy things into those, and that's how I'm closing the flower panels. I just pinned the fabric here, and then I'm going to do that to the other side, and then I'll raise it up. So I put a pin here to kind of close the fabric around the pole. It's kind of difficult because of my floral arrangement. It's kind of bulky. It's kind of hard to even put my pole cover on my pole. I'm like just out of ideas. I do not want to block my fireplace. So I think I'm just going to make a big, huge X design. Okay, that's what I'm about to do. And then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. I like the velvet, that it has like a richness to it. I like the look of it, but working with it as far as draping, I'm not really a big fan because the edges of it just keeps trying to like curl, and when it curls it allows you to see that back side, so I had to keep trying to tuck the edges of the drapes back throughout my design. So that's the only thing I would say. I don't know, is it because I'm using maybe lesser quality drapes, or that's just the way velvet is. It's not a really heavy velvet, because I've seen velvet thicker than this, so maybe that's the problem, that it's like kind of thin, so the fabric wants to kind of curl along the edges. So it's beautiful, it's rich, but I just don't really like draping with it that much. But I am gonna leave links to all of the materials in the description below. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.